How can I tell if my plumbing vent is clogged?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to help you identify whether your plumbing vent is clogged. Your plumbing vent, also known as a vent stack, plays a vital role in your home's plumbing system. It helps regulate the air pressure in your plumbing pipes and allows sewer gases to escape outside your home. However, when it gets clogged, it can cause various issues. But don't worry, there are ways to determine if it's clogged, and we'll walk you through them.
What are the signs of a clogged plumbing vent?
The first step to identifying a clogged plumbing vent is recognizing the signs. Slow drainage. This is often one of the first noticeable signs. If you notice your sink or tub is draining slower than usual, this may indicate a blockage in your vent pipe. Gurgling noises. Another telltale sign is the sound of gurgling coming from your drains or toilets. This happens when air isn't being adequately vented and is being pulled through the water in your trap instead. Sewer smell. If you're noticing a strong sewer odor around your home, it could be a sign of a blocked vent pipe. Frequent drainage backups. If your drains or toilets are frequently backing up, especially after heavy rain, this may also be an indicator of a clogged vent.
How to confirm a clogged plumbing vent?
After you have noticed these signs, the next step is to confirm whether the problem indeed lies with your vent pipe. Visual inspection. If your vent pipe exits your roof, as is typical in many houses, safely climb up to your roof and visually inspect it. Be careful of any critters or nest-building animals, as these can often be the cause of blockages. Water test. You can perform a water test by pouring water into the vent pipe. If it doesn't drain away, or drains slowly, this is a strong indication of a blockage. Smoke test. A smoke test can be performed by professionals to definitively confirm a blockage. This involves introducing smoke into the plumbing system and looking for where it escapes. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of a clogged plumbing vent is crucial to maintaining a healthy plumbing system in your home. Slow drainage, gurgling noises, sewer odors, and frequent backups are all signs to look out for. But remember, while you can do some preliminary tests yourself, it's always a good idea to call in a professional if you're unsure or if the problem persists. They have the tools and expertise to safely and effectively handle any blockages. We hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful home maintenance tips.